Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to extract audio from video on PC. Here's a quick and easy guide on how to extract audio from any video file on your PC, completely free of charge. The only tool you'll need is VLC Media Player, which honestly is a must-have media player for everyone. Let's dive in. Open your Chrome browser and search for VLC. Open the first link and click Download. Once you've downloaded and installed VLC Media Player, locate the video file you want to work with. Right-click on the video file. Select Open With. Click Choose Another App. Then, select VLC Media Player. Check the box for Always use this app to open. MP4 files. I've already set VLC as my default, so I'll skip this step. But it's helpful to do this for quicker access in the future. Step 2. Convert the video file to MP3. To begin the conversion process. 1. Open VLC Media Player. 2. Click on Media in the top left corner. 3. Select Convert/Save. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl+ or on your keyboard. A new window will appear. Click Add and choose the video file you want to convert. In my case, it's titled Sample Audio Extractor. After selecting your file, click Convert/Save. Step 3. Set output format and location. 6. Under Profile, select Audio MP3. If it's not already selected, scroll through the list and find it. Choose your destination file. This is where the converted MP3 will be saved. 8. Click Start. You'll notice a blue progress bar moving from left to right. Once it reaches the end, your video file has successfully been converted into an MP3 audio file. That's it. I hope this guide helps anyone looking to extract audio from video files using a simple, free method on their computer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.